Here's an interesting test problem on addition and subtraction of integers. The question is, difference of two integers is minus 6. If one of them is minus 2, what is the other number? So that's your question. Now part 2 of the question is, explain if there can be two possible answers. Think about it, pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now the question is, difference of two integers is minus 6. Then it means, let us say this is one integer minus the other integer. We get answer as minus 6. That is the question. If one of them is minus 2, what is the other number? Now one of them means this could be minus 2 or that could be minus 2. Depending on that, we could have two possible solutions. I hope now you get the point, right? So really the question is that if I assume this to be minus 2, then the question really becomes minus 2 take away what is equal to minus 6. If the other number is minus 2, then the question is, from what number should we take away minus 2 to get minus 6? So that is how we get two different answers, correct? Now I'd like you to pause the video, apply the strategies learned in these set of videos. You can use number line or the counters and find two possible solutions for these two different equations, right? So both are the solutions for the given question, correct? Now as you know, the answers for these will be, so minus 2 minus of what is minus 6, that's the first one, and you have to take away minus 2 from what to get you minus 6, right? So this number could be the answer I'm giving you now. So you should find your answer first, then check with my answer, right? You could also think like translating this equation, minus and minus is positive, right? So that means it really becomes plus 2. What should you add to plus 2 so that you get minus 6? That's another way of looking into it. And the number seems to be minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2 will be minus 6. Now here, minus 2 minus what? What should you take away from minus 2 so that we get minus 6, right? So this question is, what should you take away from minus 2 so that you should get minus 6? You should take away number 4, correct? So if you take away number 4, it becomes more negative. So the answer for this should be minus 2 take away plus 4. That will give you minus 6, correct? Now, these are the answers, but I'd like you to explain your answer using either number line or counters. That should be interesting. Thank you and all the best.